Okay guys, today I have a 2006 Mercedes-Benz ML350. I'm going to show you how to remove these vents. They're actually very tough to remove if you don't know how to do it. But if you know how to do it, it's actually pretty easy. So there's three little tabs, one right here, one right here, one right here. In order to remove this, you're going to have to if you can see right here, you're going to have to stick something in this hole right here, push out the tab. You're going to have to do that for the top one too. Stick it in there, bend it that way, and then there's one right over here. Just stick that in and push it out. So what we're going to do first is we're going to stick this in here at the top and just get it to stay like that. Next, we're going to stick one right here and pull out. Okay, from there, we're going to pull the actual vent out a little bit. So bear with me while I move this camera. So now, stick it in here and then pull it out. Stick it in this one and then pull it out. Okay. So you're going to get it out just a little bit. Now you're going to go to the other side, stick it in there again, pull it out, and you're just going to keep doing that. Stick this one in here, pull it out a little bit more. Once you have it out enough, you're just going to grab it and slowly pull it out. You're going to twist it a little bit. Just kind of hard to get out, but just kind of have to wiggle it and play with it. And then once you get it out, you're good to go.